Hi friends, welcome to YouTube channel named Study Karnataka. Today in this video, we will be discussing 2022 current affairs that are related to social issues, and this will be the part 3 of social issues as well as part 1 of security. As we have covered in the past two videos, the social issues related current affairs that are very much useful for all the government examinations. And we have referred the sources from Hindu, Times of India, Vision IAS, Mint, and Deccan Heralds. Let's begin the questions. Ombudsman app recently was launched for MG Narega by which ministry? This is Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Program. It has recently launched an Ombudsman app. That means they are asking which ministry has been launched this Ombudsman app recently. Options are Ministry of Finance, Ministry of Rural Development and Panchayat Raj, Ministry of Road Transport, and none. Here the answer is Ministry of Rural Development and Panchayat Raj. Next question. Consider the following statements regarding leather and footwear industry of India. First statement, India accounts for 9% of leather production of the world. Second, Indian footwear industry produces about 13% of world's production. Which of the above statements are correct? Actually, they have interchanged these numbers. That is, India accounts for 13%. India accounts for 13% of production of leather of the world, and Indian footwear industry produces about 9% of footwear that the world produces. So here the answer is none, because both the statements are not correct, that is incorrect. Therefore, it should be leather is 13% and footwear is 9%. Next question. Pradhan Mantri Kisan Sampada Yojana, that is PMKSY, has been recently extended until which period? Is it 21-22 to 2024-25 or 21-22 to 2025-26 or 2022-23 to 2025-26 or the fourth option? Here the answer is 2021-22 to 2025-26, right? Until 25-26 the scheme has been extended. Next question. Development of ropeways comes under which ministry? Recently we have seen that the ropeways, the development of these has been taking place by one of the ministry, and it is trying to connect the cultural as well as religious places in order to increase the tourism, right? So the question is asking, it comes under which ministry? Is it Ministry of Road and Transport or Ministry of Culture, Ministry of Aviation or Ministry of Tribal Affairs? Here the answer is Ministry of Road and Transport, right? Next question. Parvatmala recently seen in news is related to, is it connection of national highways or interlinking of rivers, ropeways development or afforestation in hilly areas? All the options seems to be confusing, but it's one type of a factual question. You need to remember Parvatmala is nothing but ropeways development. As we discussed in the earlier question, that it comes under Ministry of Road and Transport, Ministry of Road and Transport, ropeways development. The scheme has been named as Parvatmala. So what is the scheme for this national highways? It's Bharatmala, right? It's Bharatmala. Interlinking of rivers, it's different. And afforestation of hilly areas, there is no scheme as such. Next question. Purple Revolution is also known as. Purple Revolution, recently it was in news, as initially it was restricted only to Kashmir, right? In India it was restricted to only to Kashmir, but recently in one of the places in Assam it has been developed, right? And it has been successfully cultivated. Therefore, this Purple Revolution was in news. The question is asking, Purple Revolution is also known as. Options: Lavender Revolution, Purple Cloth Revolution, Textile Revolution, and Onion Production. The answer here is Lavender Revolution, right? Next question. Purple Revolution is launched by which ministry? We recently seen what is Purple Revolution. It is related to lavender cultivation, right? Related to lavender cultivation. Now it is asking which ministry has launched this Purple Revolution. Is it Ministry of Agriculture, Environment Ministry, Ministry of Science and Technology, or Ministry of Textile? Here the correct answer is Ministry of Science and Technology. Next question. PMDEVINE, PM Divine, full form. It was in news, right? First of all, if you know the full form, that is, if what is NE, then you can answer this. It is nothing but Northeast. It is related to northeastern states. So the option only contains Northeast is the first option, that is Prime Minister's Development Initiative for Northeast. Prime Minister Development Initiative for Northeast. Next question. Grey Revolution recently was in news related to. Why was this in news? Right? We recently seen that there was a draft bill by Ministry of Fertilizer and Chemicals and Fertilizers in order to fix the prices for fertilizer, right? In that term, this grey revolution, so it's not green, it's grey revolution was in news. So the grey revolution is related to fertilizer. The answer is option number 2, fertilizer. Now, what is egg revolution? Do comment it. What is this known as? Egg revolution. What is oil seeds production is known as? Do comment this. The commentator will be getting an exciting reward within a week. Next question. Consider the following statements regarding Saffron Bowl project. The Saffron Bowl project was in news. Let's see the statements. Earlier it was only restricted to Kashmir. It was restricted to Kashmir. Now NECTAR, Nectar, is putting efforts to expand it to parts of Northeast. Northeast saw the first successful cultivation saffron in Yangang village of South Sikkim. I think in the previous slide I told about this saffron. So please do remember it was about saffron, not about lavender, right? Please do correct this mistake. It was about saffron and not about lavender. The statement 1 says that it was restricted only to Kashmir earlier. Yes, the option 1 is correct. Now Nectar. What is Nectar? That is Northeast Council for Technical Agricultural Reach, right? Is putting efforts to expand it to the part of Northeast. This is also correct. Northeast saw the first successful cultivation of saffron in Yangang village of South Sikkim. Which of the statements are correct? Here all the statements are correct, all of the above, right? Consider the following statements regarding ICRISAT, right? Statement 1, ICRISAT stands for International Crops Research Institute for Semi-Arid Tropics. International Crops Research Institute for Semi-Arid Tropics. Second, it is headquartered at New Delhi. They are saying that it is headquartered at New Delhi. Third, it is a non-profit, non-political organization that conduct agricultural research for development in dry lands of Asia and sub-Saharan Africa. Right. Of course, as being international, it can conduct in Asia and Africa. So statement 3 can be correct. Right. I am telling you the elimination technique. Now see, as being this is a fact, New Delhi, although most of the institutes have their headquarters in New Delhi, but this is a fact that International Crops Research Institute for the Semi-Arid Tropics is not situated at Delhi and it is situated at Hyderabad, right? It is situated at Hyderabad, Telangana. So here the option 2 should not be the answer. So let's eliminate option 2. So answer is 1 and 3 only, right? Water taxi service, that is India's first water taxi service, has been inaugurated in which state or place? Is it Pune, Maharashtra, Mumbai, Maharashtra, Chennai, Tamil Nadu, or Visakhapatnam? It was inaugurated in February by Minister of Shipping, right? He inaugurated this, and the right answer is Mumbai, Maharashtra. Maharashtra has become the first state to introduce or inaugurate water taxi service in India. Thanks for watching the video. If you want the PDFs, you can join the Telegram channel. The link will be provided in description. And in recent, we have posted 4 videos of current affairs that are very important for UPSC and state PCS, right? State PSC. If you haven't watched, do watch. We'll be providing the link in the description too. Please do share with your friends. Thanks for watching the video.